Okay, so we're back again making another body scrub. This is the orange scented body scrub. We made less of a mess this time. We have the coconut oil already melted. We already have the sugar mixed with the almond oil. And what else? And that's it. And we have having a food coloring. So again, I'm using 1/8 teaspoon. Oh, tablespoon. Where's the teaspoon? Oh no, 1/8 cup of actual orange juice. I use bright and early just to give a color. And then the essential oil. We already mixed it, so now we're just gonna pour in the coconut oil and then the orange juice and then the orange essential oil, and that you're gonna mix. Like I said again, she's putting in the coconut oil, she's gonna mix, and then after she's done mixing that, she will mix the orange. It's okay for your body scrub to be kind of like snowflake looking, but it cannot be too wet or too dry. So if it's too wet, just add some more sugar. If it's too dry, add more almond oil or coconut oil, whichever one you prefer. Make sure they're evenly added in, so one product won't be more than the other. Remember guys, these are good for 6 months. After 6 months, you should throw it out and create more. They're good for the skin and hair. But body scrubs are obviously for body. Now she's gonna add in the orange juice for coloring. So since I don't have actual food coloring, we have to use orange juice. So it's gonna look kind of yellowish, but it's fine because once they smell it, they're gonna know it's not lemonade, it's orange. Once you put in the essential oil, you're gonna need more sugar. So she's gonna go and put in more sugar because we just noticed it won't be enough to fill up this mason jar. She's gonna pour in more sugar. That's it. Again, my cat here, curious. Okay, I will let her do that, then I'll continue the video again. We're back. It's yellowish. We can't put any more because then it'll be too wet. So now she's gonna add in 10 drops of orange essential oil. She's adding the 10 drops. That was 10 drops? That was so quick. Again, guys, I'm gonna have to apologize. I have my sister doing all the work because I have no phone holder right now. I just started doing this channel and money is pretty tight, so this is all on a budget. But I hope you guys like the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and let me know, comment for any other requests. I will be doing requests of DIY projects, anything. And let me know how it worked for you guys. Smells like orange. Okay, so that's the finishing results. All she has left to do is just to put it in the jar. And you guys, afterwards, you guys could decorate the jar, put glitter on the lid, ribbons. I've seen many people put ribbons on it. Put some chalkboard sticker on it with your name on it. You could see my other videos on other scented flavored ones. I made peppermint for the Christmas theme, and I made strawberry for, you know, just regular gifting. Just great gifts, good for the body, and they last up to 6 months. So no need to be buying bath scrubs, body scrubs from stores that cost like $12, and you can make it at home on your own budget. I will also be linking in the description the directions, the ingredients, and anything else you might need. I will also put what I've used for this video. She's just making it comfortable in there. I also added a little wooden spoon here that I got from Amazon for cheap. You could buy it for cheap on Amazon or 99-cent store. It's a pack of 100 or 150, I think I have. It was only for like $2. That's just for them to scoop it out, you know, as a gift, because I'm giving this away as a gift. Yep, and now I'll just let her finish up, and then I'll show you guys the end results. So she just finished, and this is how she packaged it. She's gonna clean the rims using a tissue or a napkin. Remember, guys, you could decorate. You could put the date, you know, stickers all over it, ribbons. I've seen many people do it. Some people even spray paint the whole bottle to surprise as a gift. That's how it came out. It's yellowish. People might confuse it for lemon until they open it, but it's okay. And it has their little scooper. Yeah, bring out the rest so you can see. That's gonna be one added to the collection. To the others, that's the strawberry and the peppermint candy. So here's the collection. You could find these two on my previous videos. So yeah, like and subscribe, comment for any questions or any recommendations you want me to make, any DIY projects. And real soon I'll be making a soap video.